Hi, for today's video I'm going to show you how I use my tamper. So if you haven't used this before, a tamper is basically a tool you use to compact your soil. If you look at your tamper, the bottom of your tamper is a flat surface. So you want to make sure that all the surface of your tamper hits the ground that you want it to compact. So if you have any rocks in your soil that is protruding, your tamper is not going to do its job. So let's say I have a rock right here, and unless your soil is really soft that you can top the rock down, then it's not going to do its job. So you're going like this because you don't have all the surface going on it. So what you want is to make sure that you have a straight surface. What works for me is I actually open my legs about shoulder width. I hold the tamper this way and I lift it up high enough where I'm comfortable, and then just push it down flat. Then you can go forward or backward. Okay, next is you want to make sure that your soil is moist enough but not wet, so that it will hold its shape when you compact it. If you look at this soil right here, right now it's loose, but if I grab this soil and press it with my hand, see right now it's holding its shape. So this is how you want your soil to be. You don't want it to be too wet that it will basically just splatter on you when you step on the soil, or the soil will actually stick to your stamper. So let me show you this soil right here. This soil here kind of look like the other one too, but you know that this is dry. See, the color is a little lighter, and when I press on this soil, let me see, press it hard and I open it, it just crumble. So you don't want it like this. You want it to have some moisture so that it will actually hold its shape. Okay, so let me go back to the other one again. So this one, let me go. This is how you want your soil to be when you grab it. So when you have this and you tap down on it, it is actually going to compact it and hold that place. See, now this is actually good. See, it's compacted. I cannot push it out. Okay, so I have to like dig into it to take the dirt out. But now if I go back right here, see right here, it's easy to do it. I'm not even putting pressure to get this thing. Look at this thing. So this is a dry soil. See this? I just go like this. It breaks easily. Okay, now this one. This is the moist soil. And when I go like this, it doesn't go out easily. I have to actually dig my finger in to loosen it up. Some people say that you just let the tool do its job, just like let it drop. Okay, so I'm doing it like that. But if you look at this, this is the same soil earlier. See now, you know, I can still loosen it up. Okay, so another thing is, if you are adding a soil in an area, something like this, you want to add your soil 3 inches at a time and compact it to about 1.5 inch, and then add another 3 inches and compact it again, instead of adding, let's say, 1 foot of soil and then compacting it, because your compaction can only give you a couple of inches every time. So even if you're compacting it really hard, you're just gonna compact it down about from 12 inches to, let's say, 11 inches, or 6 inches to 5 inches. But if you do it 3 inches at a time, every time you compact, you're always compacting it all the way down. Okay, so that's how you use your soil tamper. I hope that this video helped you, and please make sure to click the like and subscribe button to help my channel.